The day you've been working towards and building towards is suddenly and completely, somehow without warning, it's upon you. And everything has to work. Everything has to go right. I'm getting a little choked up just kind of remembering the emotion of the day.
It was very daunting. I had no idea what we were doing. We were getting millions of messages and had no way to sort them.
What do we need to do? What is going to be required to keep the president in office? What does it look like now in 2012 to empower people, and what's possible now that wasn't possible before?
I had no idea what the expectations were going to be, but I knew that what they needed I could do with Salesforce.
Salesforce has sort of as its core object in a lot of the ways we thought about it, sort of the person at the center. We needed a platform that was going to be fast enough to deploy and develop, massively customizable, easy to scale, and was going to connect in an intelligent, API-driven way to everything else we were doing.
There's no mistaking the importance of what's going on. Everything has to be done as fast as possible. We built the equivalent of a Fortune 500 company in like 7 months.
The ability to scale in the cloud allows you to get to a scale that you don't know you can plan for. We're going to be able to get as big as we need to get without these massive outlays of investment that we could just never handle.
We captured 5.7 million voter inquiries in Salesforce. Each of those became a case.
Our favorite emails to read were the ones that said, "I know no one will read this, but," and we were reading them. Salesforce helped us pick out those really exceptional stories that needed to be heard.
We used the Service Cloud to manage all of our inbound correspondence, custom applications built on the Force.com platform, Chatter with the state budget management application. We had no issues with security. They thought I was like a magician with the stuff I could do very quickly.
Whatever I wanted to do, Edward basically said, yes, we can do it. It was literally a living, breathing program that was changing all the time.
We could not possibly have done what we did without the maturity of cloud computing platforms.
There would be times I'd be at a family party and I'd get an email like, I need to jump on a laptop. Where's a laptop? That's the cloud. You've got your internet connection, you've got a phone, laptop, tablet, any device, and you can do everything you need to do.
When a huge problem would erupt, you could take just 20 seconds, think about how you could organize this in Salesforce, and then go full force and fix the problem. We could see in real time what the nation was thinking. So if we had gotten word that we were down in a certain county, we could literally type in that zip code and just focus on those emails if we wanted to.
That's going to be the difference maker, the legacy of Salesforce with campaigns, the ability to move from idea to application very quickly, that speed to market, that ROI, that speed to value, all that is just invaluable to a campaign because you have no time ever.
Having platforms and dashboards like what we were able to build on Salesforce let us be incredibly intentional about every dollar spent, every conversation we had with every voter. And when you're talking about a couple of thousand votes and a couple of thousand precincts, every vote, every conversation matters a lot.
If you're doing something that people don't like, you'll know it right away through Salesforce. And if you're doing something people like, you'll know it right away through Salesforce.
Salesforce and myself and our team of Salesforce users, we absolutely helped Obama win the election.